Do I contradict myself? Very well then, I contradict myself. I am large, I contain multitudes. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Be curious, not judgmental. I celebrate myself and sing myself. Re-examine all that you have been told. Dismiss that which insults your soul. Not I, nor anyone else can travel that road for you. You must travel it by yourself. The future is no more uncertain than the present. Peace is always beautiful. I exist as I am. That is enough. To me, every hour of the day and night is an unspeakably perfect miracle. Happiness, not in another place, but this place. Not for another hour, but this hour. Simplicity is the glory of expression. The art of art, the glory of expression, and the sunshine of the light of letters is simplicity. I no doubt deserve my enemies, but I don't believe I deserve my friends. Judge not the preacher, for he is thy judge. A morning glory at my window satisfies me more than the metaphysics of books. Let your soul stand cool and composed before a million universes. The strongest and sweetest songs yet remain to be sung. And your very flesh shall be a great poem. I believe a leaf of grass is no less than the journey work of the stars. Whatever satisfies the soul is truth. I see great things in baseball. It's our game, the American game. I am as bad as the worst, but thank God I am as good as the best. I have learned that to be with those I like is enough. And whoever walks a furlong without sympathy walks to his own funeral dressed in his shroud. Oh, while I live, to be the ruler of life, not a slave, to meet life as a powerful conqueror, and nothing exterior to me will ever take command of me. Now I see the secret of making the best person. It is to grow in the open air and to eat and sleep with the earth. Have you learned the lessons only of those who admired you and were tender with you and stood aside for you? Have you not learned great lessons from those who braced themselves against you and disputed passage with you? Nothing can happen more beautiful than death. The genius of the United States is not best or most in its executives or legislatures, nor in its ambassadors or authors or colleges or churches or parlors, nor even in its newspapers or inventors, but always most in the common people. Every moment of light and dark is a miracle. Give me odorous at sunrise, a garden of beautiful flowers where I can walk undisturbed. We convince by our presence. Viewed freely, the English language is the accretion and growth of every dialect, race, and range of time, and is both the free and compacted composition of all. Freedom to walk free and own no superior. To have great poets, there must be great audiences. When I give myself. Seeing, hearing, feeling are miracles, and each part and tag of me is a miracle. There is no week, nor day, nor hour when tyranny may not enter upon this country, if the people lose their roughness and spirit of defiance. After you have exhausted what there is in business, politics, conviviality, and so on, have found that none of these finally satisfy or permanently wear what remains. Nature remains. The whole theory of the universe is directed unerringly to one single individual. All faults may be forgiven of him who has perfect candor. the beauty of independence, departure, actions that rely on themselves. In the confusion, we stay with each other, happy to be together, speaking without uttering a single word. Stranger, if you passing meet me and desire to speak to me, why should you not speak to me? And why should I not speak to you? Judging from the main portions of the history of the world so far, justice is always in jeopardy. I accept reality and dare not question it. He most honors my style, who learns under it to destroy the teacher. Behold, I do not give lectures or a little charity. When I give myself. Henceforth, I ask not good fortune. I myself am good fortune. I cannot be awake for nothing looks to me as it did before, or else I am awake for the first time, and all before has been a mean sleep. The words of my book, nothing, the drift of it, everything. There is no object so soft, but it makes a hub for the wheeled universe. Why are there trees I never walk under, but large and melodious thoughts descend upon me? To die is different from what anyone supposed, and luckier. I heard what was said of the universe, heard it, and heard it of several thousand years. It is middling well as far as it goes. But is that all? The above are the life wisdom quotes for this episode. Which quote is your favorite? Please leave a comment to tell us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next time.